Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide to digital marketing. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the online world and transform your passion into profit? Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or someone just curious about this booming industry, this video will arm you with the knowledge you need to get started on your digital marketing journey. And here's the best part: by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take your first steps and make your mark in the digital space. So stick around, because you don't want to miss a single detail. Segment 1. Introduction to Digital Marketing. Digital marketing is the art of connecting with your audience in the right place, at the right time, using the internet. Think about it: how much time do you spend online each day? Now imagine the millions of people doing the same thing. That's the opportunity digital marketing creates. It's your chance to reach them and share your message. So, what exactly does digital marketing include? It's a broad field, covering everything from social media and search engine optimization (SEO) to email campaigns and content creation. Each of these areas works together to help businesses build their online presence and drive results. Ready to dive deeper? Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. Segment 2. Key components of digital marketing. 1. Website development. Your website is your digital storefront. It's where people come to learn about you, your products, or your services. Start by creating a clean, user-friendly site with clear navigation and mobile optimization. Tools like WordPress or Wix make this process easy, even for beginners. 2. Search engine optimization (SEO). Imagine you're looking for something on Google. You type in a keyword and click on one of the top results, right? That's the power of SEO. By optimizing your content with the right keywords and creating valuable, high-quality articles, you can rank higher on search engines and drive organic traffic to your site. 3. Social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok are goldmines for connecting with your target audience. The key here is consistency. Post engaging content regularly, interact with your followers, and leverage paid ads to amplify your reach. 4. Content marketing. Content is king. Whether it's blog posts, videos, infographics, or podcasts, creating valuable content builds trust with your audience. Start by identifying what your audience wants and deliver it in a way that's both entertaining and informative. 5. Email marketing. Email marketing isn't dead, far from it. Building an email list is one of the most effective ways to nurture relationships with your audience. Use tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit to send personalized messages, offers, and updates straight to their inbox. 6. Analytics and tracking. Here's a pro tip: always measure your results. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website traffic, social media insights, and campaign performance. Understanding what works and what doesn't allows you to refine your strategy and achieve better results. Segment 3. How to get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. Pick a topic or industry you're passionate about. The more specific, the better. For example, instead of targeting fashion, narrow it down to sustainable fashion for millennials. Step 2. Build your online presence. Create your website, set up your social media accounts, and start building your brand. Remember, consistency is key. Step 3. Learn the basics. Take advantage of free resources like Google's Digital Garage, HubSpot Academy, or YouTube tutorials. The internet is packed with valuable information for beginners. Step 4. Experiment and test. Don't be afraid to try new things. Run a small ad campaign, write a blog post, or create a TikTok video. See what resonates with your audience and double down on what works. Step 5. Network and collaborate. Join online communities, attend webinars, and connect with other marketers. Collaboration can open doors to new opportunities and ideas. Segment 4. Advanced tips and tricks. Since you've mastered the basics, here are a few advanced tips to take your digital marketing skills to the next level. Use retargeting ads to re-engage visitors who didn't convert the first time. Leverage influencer marketing to tap into established audiences. Automate your workflows with tools like Zapier to save time and stay organized. Stay updated on industry trends by following experts and reading blogs like Neil Patel, Moz, and Social Media Examiner. And there you have it, a complete beginner's guide to digital marketing. By now, you should have a clear understanding of the key components and how to get started. But remember, digital marketing is a journey, not a destination. The more you practice and learn, the better you'll become. So, what's your next step? If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more actionable tips and strategies. And don't forget to comment below with your biggest takeaway or any questions you have. We're here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.